How to change TikTok region without VPN. So if you want to change your TikTok region without VPN, then first you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Once you're here on the profile, now go with the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and then here you need to go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have an option of language. Tap on language, and under language, now you need to simply go with the app language, which is on the first, and here you need to choose the preferred language of the region you want to change. This way TikTok will know region you want to see its content. There's no other option here to change directly your region. This is the only way. So you just need to simply go and choose the language and then go with done, which is on the upper right, and in this way you will be able to change. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.